Hi, this is Bilal from Speckle. So you got an amazing Archicad model and you want to bring it into Power BI for data visualization while viewing your model in 3D. You can mess around with a bunch of exports and spreadsheets and try to make it work and fail, or you could just use Speckle. Speckle makes it super easy to connect your Archicad models into Power BI. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. But before we begin, make sure you have a Speckle account. You can go to app.speckle.systems and sign up for an account. And next, you need to have Archicad and Power BI connectors installed. Link for the installers is in the description down below. So once you have everything set up, let's go ahead and publish our model from Archicad. Once you install the Archicad connector, a new option should be visible in the menu bar. Let's go ahead and open Archicad connector. We're going to publish a model, so I'm just going to select publish, and your projects will be listed here. If this is your first time publishing a model, then go ahead and create a new project. This is the hillside house, so I'll create a project with that name and select create. Now a new project has been created. Let's go ahead and add a new model. This is the architectural model, so I'll name it architectural, select create. And publishing from Archicad is as simple as making a selection and pressing publish. But before pressing publish, make sure that all the elements you want to publish are selected. For instance, once you make a selection, only the host elements are getting selected. If you also want to publish doors and windows and skylights, etc., make sure you go into those comments and do Control A, so those objects also get added. I'll do the same for window, curtain walls, skylights, and corner window too. I know those element types are present within this model. So now I can go ahead and select publish. And that's it. Your model is now in Speckle. Easy, right? Next step is actually getting this model into Power BI. And we need to start by copying the model URL from the web app. You can either get it directly from the address bar or go to share and copy link. Now open Power BI, go to get data and search for Speckle. Select connect to Speckle and connect. I will accept the warning and paste the model URL you copied from the web app and select OK. If this is your first time using the Power BI connector, you'll need to log in. And easiest way to do that is by signing in with your Speckle account. It will prompt you to enter your credentials, do all of that, and authorize the Power BI connector. And now you're signed in. Once you're logged in, Power BI will save your credentials, so you won't have to log in every time you load a model from Speckle. Let's click connect. And here it is. Your Archicad model in a tabular format inside Power BI. Let's go ahead and select load. And the next step is actually converting this tabular data into 3D data using the 3D visual. To do that, we need to go to the visualizations pane, select get more visuals, and import a visual from a file. I'll select import, and we're going to go to this path, documents, Power BI desktop, custom visuals. We'll go ahead and select the 3D Visual PBIVis file and select Open. Now 3D Visual is added to our Power BI report. Let's go ahead and add it. And here it is. The 3D Visual is going to ask for 3 inputs: version object ID, and tooltip data. And lucky for you, these are auto-generated by the Power BI connector. So it's just a matter of dragging and dropping them into their corresponding fields. And the tooltip data is just like any other Power BI visual. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the object ID into the tooltip data, but you can add any column to there. And now you have a fully interactive 3D model within Power BI. You can zoom, rotate, do all of that. You want to make it even more powerful? Add other visuals to your report. Speckle's 3D visual will automatically highlight and isolate the selected elements. And the best part, it works the other way around as well. And that's it. You just unlocked a whole new way to visualize your BIM data in Power BI. Let me know if you faced any issues while following this tutorial at speckle.community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.